Pins and needles. He's making a cigarette when he's a little kid.
He's what? Making a cigarette?
Yeah. Kid, he's weird. He's making a cigarette. Good.
Don't think he should be smoking, right?
Et pour ça, il faudrait qu'il s'engage à changer du tout au tout. Si seulement vous arriviez à lui faire peur, monsieur le juge.
Mais ce n'est pas mon rôle, madame.
Mais nous n'avons aucun pouvoir sur lui.
Peut-être l'exercez-vous de façon trop intermittente. Dites-moi, est-il vrai que l'enfant soit parfois resté tout un week-end seul à la maison?
Mon mari s'occupe d'un club automobile. Il a pu nous arriver de laisser le fils.
Back in a minute. I'm just going to go and look in the spare room. I'm coming. This is the spare room. This your room?
My room.
This is Farouk's room. There's no way he's going to sleep in here. He's just saying it's his room. Look, outside. That's one of the balconies. And the swimming pool's down there. Well, that's the courtyard on that side. And then this.
Did you see why it's done?
Farouk, I don't think you should have that kind of poster on your room.
Huh?
What are you doing with pictures like that on your wall? Did you put that there?
No.
Why have you got a picture of a lady with no clothes on?
It's weird. Look at this type of trick.
Okay, let's see.
Pourquoi t'es tombé, toi? Et toi?
Moi, je glissais.
Guys, I really enjoy it here. If it's for a couple of nights, it's great. It's colourful, it's amazing, it's stupendous. It's got spicy food,
Yes.
epicness. If you come in my room again, you'll see this.
What kind of place are you staying in?
Riad man.
You're not in Jamaica, you're in Marrakesh. You are going to Jamaica soon though.
Yeah.
So would you recommend that people get themselves one of these riads?
Yeah.
It's really fun. What do you think of the tea?
Good.
What about the apples? Awesome. What do you think about the trees you saw today? You've never seen trees like that before, have you?
The bamboos.
The big bamboos, and we saw sugar cane as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
Real sugar cane.
Yeah.
And also, what trees did we see that had yellow things hanging on it?
Flower trees.
No.
I don't know.
Lemons, remember?
Yeah, lemon, oranges and lemons, says the bells of St. Clement. I owe you 5 foreign, says the bells of St. Martin's. When will you pay me, says the bells of Old Bailey.
When I get
rich, says the bells of Shoreditch.
That's weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's really ironic that you saw all those oranges and lemons today and you've been learning the song.
Yep.
That's amazing. I didn't think of that until you just sang it. And what film are you watching?
I think it's a
It's a black and white film in French with a boy who's about 10 years old smoking cigarettes, isn't he?
Yeah, and he stole something. And he escaped from jail again.
Goodness me, the things you're learning in this Marrakesh. But it's really nice. It's got such a nice ambience. Outside is the old city, right? But we're just so happy, just chilling in here actually. They also have a chef that can bring food later. It's the call for prayer. Hello.
Hi. That was epic.
Do you like this bar?
Epic. My trick. Water. And water left. Water. No left. Okay. Water. Water left. See?
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Mommy, bye bye. I can do it.
I think I'll have a shower. The fire, we're waiting for the fire to start. It's just about to start. Flames are kind of burning. I think I've showed you Farouk's room already, but he is not going to be sleeping in there, I can tell you, with pornography on the wall. Look at that. No, it's art, of course, it's not pornography. It's art. There's lots of great lighting in here as well. And the bed, which I know Farouk is going to sleep in with me because he is absolutely not going to sleep in that room on his own. And Farouk chose this. Yeah, that was his choice of music. So yeah, time to go and have a shower. There's a little bench out here. There's plenty of seats. I mean, there's a chaise longue. Is it still called a chaise longue? So yeah, like literally, I feel like you could have like 10 people staying here. Obviously, health and safety wouldn't allow 10 people, but look at the woodwork. That is beautiful. And you're lying down and you're looking up at that woodwork with all that glass on it. It's pretty lovely. So, coming to wash your hair, Farouk. Farouk, the fire started.
Come out.
Coming out the bath now.
Yeah.
Oh, so cozy now. I have to turn the lights down low. Wow, what do you think of the fire?
Right. It's raging. It's horrid.
Is it scary?
No.
After what happened to your hair the other day? Let me see how your hair looks now. Oh, alhamdulillah. Let me see your hair. Stop moving. See, this is where it got damaged, wasn't it, by the fire? But you didn't even see it, did you?
I didn't even feel it either.
Huh?
I didn't even feel it either.
We've been here 24 hours now, haven't we?
Yeah.
Would you like to go and write in your diary?
Yeah!
Talk about what you've been doing?
Yeah.
Okay, where's your diary? It's on the desk, I think.
There it is. Okay then.
Do you want me to see your diary?
Yes.
Is it a secret?
Yes. So good.
What?
So good, man.
Gosh. Farouk,
Yes.
you're still awake?
Yeah.
You should be sleeping by now. You're not tired? You cozy? How many out of 10 would you give this Riad?
100.
You're so kind. Well, I think it deserves it actually. So that's the end of a lovely day in Morocco. Day 1. And let the fire burn out itself. I've been told it's safe. Obviously, I am worried after what happened to Farouk's hair recently. That's the end of day 1. Mummy can sit down and write her diary now.